Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I made vegetable stew with spinach. So I will be using all the spinach for the soup and the chicken wings, also scotch bonnet and tomatoes. I'll clean up all these things and get them ready for cooking. So now I've washed everything, sliced the vegetables, the onion, tomatoes and also the turkey. So I cleaned everything very well. I made sure I washed everything very well, sliced them and keep them ready for cooking. This is my scotch bonnet grinded already. This is how I want my tomatoes to be cut, and also these are the vegetables I will be using for the cooking. Also the onions, I have sliced them all and made them ready, and also the turkey in pieces. So here I will be using stock cubes, curry, ginger, garlic and salt. So these are what the other ingredients I will use in cooking of the vegetable stew. Okay, so first of all I will start by cooking my meat. I will put half of these ingredients in my meat. I will introduce my meat into the pot, then start adding the ingredients on it. So I added half part of the ingredients and I would stir it and allow it to heat. So keep watching. I do not want to add some water in it because I know that the turkey will bring out water by itself. So that's why I will turn it, cover it and allow it to boil. So let's keep watching. Now it's boiling. You can see it has brought out some water, so this water will be able to cook it. Then as it's boiling, you turn it and turn so as to make it properly, allow it to properly cook. Okay, so I will still cover it for some time. Once it's done, I will remove it in a separate plate and continue the cooking. So now I want to prepare the vegetable. I will add the oil, then add my onion, then I will add curry powder. I love adding curry powder to my onion because it gives this delicious aroma. I don't know if you have tried it before, but if you have not, just try it. Once you put your onion, you add your curry. I love the aroma so much. Then I will allow it to boil, then add my red bell pepper and tomatoes. Turn everything together, cover it up and allow it to fry cook until the water is dried up. As you can see, the water, the tomato is boiling and the water is getting dried. So I will keep on boiling it until the water is gone. It will be left with just very little quantity of water and the oil. That's when I will introduce my vegetable. As you can see, there's still little water on it, so I will also allow it to boil now. Okay. Right now you can see that the water has dried up, so I will now add my vegetables, and as I'm adding it, I will be adding bit by bit. As I add, I will stir until all the vegetables have been introduced into the pot. I'm done with the mixing of the vegetables. I will now introduce the already cooked stuffing into the pot. Then I will stir it again and make sure everything is mixed up before I will go ahead and add my scotch bonnet. I like adding my pepper last thing whenever I grind it, so that it will still give you that fresh taste when you are eating the food. So immediately I finish stirring the meat and the vegetables, I will introduce my scotch bonnet. As you can see, there's no much water in it because I didn't add much water. Only the water from the meat that I added on, that I used in cooking actually. So now I've added my scotch bonnet. I will stir it, allow it to cook for a few seconds, as in, let me say just like 1 minute. I'll bring it down. So it's done and ready to be cooked, ready to be served.